Are you struggling to find effective ways to generate leads for your business? You're not alone. In today's competitive market, getting those precious leads can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But fear not, because in this video, I will share 5 effective ways to generate leads for your business. So buckle up, because your lead generation journey is about to get much easier. So let's get started. First is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing lead generation by providing businesses with powerful tools to analyze customer data and behavior, allowing for more targeted marketing strategies. Second is identify and nurture leads. Identifying and nurturing leads is crucial for converting potential customers into loyal clients. By understanding their needs and preferences, businesses can tailor their approach to meet individual requirements. Third is chatbots. Chatbots offer a convenient and efficient way to engage with website visitors in real time, capturing valuable leads and providing instant assistance. Fourth is faster customer support. Providing fast and responsive customer support not only enhances the overall customer experience, but also helps build trust and credibility, ultimately generating more leads. Fifth and last, make use of modern-day technology for lead generation. Modern technology, such as social media platforms, email marketing tools, and data analytics software, provides businesses innovative ways to reach their target audience and generate leads effectively. Ready to take your lead generation to the next level? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business thrive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. See you in my next video.